Hey folks, Mike out here again on another adventure. This time around we're gonna backpack Savage Gulf. We got a lot of miles to cover, so let's go ahead and get started. The Great Stone Door. Okay, we're on the connector trail. We're gonna try to make it to this Hobbs cabin campsite, 6.7 miles. This trail is legit. I was promised a rough time, and it's living up to it. I'm very impressed so far. I hadn't been able to run the camera much because I've been scrambling over rocks and trying to find footholds and handholds and just having fun. So what part of the tree is that? I'm not sure if the bridge is wobbly or if I'm wobbly. Ooh. Let me tell you a little story about a man named Mike, a poor mountaineer out in the woods trying to keep his head right. One of these days he came across a wobbly bridge, suspension that is, cables and such. What, are we there already? I was just getting warmed up. Let me show you how I slept last night. Here I got my hammock. I ran a ridge line across here, and I've got my knife and flashlight and stuff there. Pack hanging up. Inside the hammock, I've got my sleeping bag laid out in there. And then I've got a tarp here that I can throw over top of the ridge line, just in case it was to come and rain on me. Sometime in the middle of the night, this tree right here fell over. It got pretty windy, but I just want to show you how close that was to where I was staying. Too close for comfort. So I'm headed back the same way I came. When I came through this area yesterday, man, I was really struggling. I was low on energy. This terrain is very treacherous. Boulders and rocks everywhere. But today, I feel full of energy. I feel great. I'm ready to knock this sucker out. Got about 9 miles to go. And I'm gonna see how long it takes me to do it. This trail is definitely a good one. Definitely worth revisiting. Last night, I got up to the cabin up there, which is actually like a shelter for backpackers, and met a guy, cool guy, kindred spirit, and just sat around the fire all night, you know, campfire talk, whatever. And I slept like a baby. It was the first time that I've put my hammock to use. Really the first time I thought that it was warm enough to use the hammock. And I tell you what, I may never go back to sleeping on the ground. I feel great today, way better than any morning that I slept in a tent. I gotta try not to get lost here. But I'm gonna stay on this trail till we get back to the stone door. I've seen a lot of predator tracks out here. Canine tracks, feline tracks. Seen a lot of predator scat too. Heck, I even saw a velociraptor track. But they better be on their toes, because they don't want none of this. No sir. Yeah, I know. But somebody has to check the stability of these bridges. I'm gonna get me some water and be on my way. I've started the ascent back up to the stone door. Hopefully it'll be unlocked. Man, I need a cheeseburger. Knock, knock. Well, we made it back to the car. 8.7 miles in about 3.5 hours. So not too bad. I just want to say thank you for coming with me. Thank you for watching. And until next time, this is Mike, signing off.